Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Megan with Simply Megan Plans, and if you are not already, I would love to have you as one of my brand new subscribers here on my channel. I post every single day all sorts of videos all about the Happy Planner. I am a massive fan of everything that the Happy Planner puts out, and it's been that way for about 5 years now. I'm just totally obsessed. So this video I am decorating in my teacher extension pack, which means I dated it myself. I like to have it 7 days a week instead of the 5 days that it comes as, because I like to use this as my daily journal. Since it's lined, I really like to use it that way. So this week I'm super excited. I got my hands on the Oasis Adventure Icons sticker book. I got it on clearance at Joann's a little while ago. It was in one of my haul videos, but I'm excited to use this one. I really like that this one has really fun tones, like this kind of like brownish mustard and this kind of like hot pink peachy muted, I don't know, and I really like all the buildings, so I'm just excited. I want to use all the stickers. It's like a struggle. The only thing about this one is it's an icons book, which means that there's no boxes or anything, but that's why I chose to use it in my journal. So let's go ahead and start. So because it's an extension pack, it comes totally undated, and I didn't put in that it's October or anything, so I was thinking of maybe just jotting it down, which I haven't done any of the other weeks, but I thought I wanted to do that this week. So this is October, and then this will kind of go right up against it. Okay, and in my journal, I really don't need to use the sidebar or anything, so I can just decorate it like crazy. All right. These plants are just, oh my gosh, so much fun. So I definitely wanted to use some of those. I just didn't want the lines showing through. So I think I actually want to try this. So I'm gonna cut out, and I use this in lots of other videos, but this is my post-it correction and cover-up tape. I have it in my Amazon favorites, but what I'm gonna do is put this behind it, and then also the little pieces that are kind of like it didn't fit all the way, I'll put right there. Okay, now I was thinking kind of like over here, but maybe more towards the top. Do something a little bit different. I'm kind of a creature of habit with my planners, which I don't have a problem with at all. I don't know. I feel like when I film videos, it makes me a little bit more aware of what I do. If I didn't film, I would just do whatever and not really notice, but because I always like talk it through, it just makes me more aware of what I'm doing. So I'm trying to mix it up. Okay. Oh man. Okay, I want to use this one. It seems like a down in the corner kind of sticker. So I'm gonna use that one down there. It's so cute. Okay. Now, I don't have any minis on this page. So let me see. Oh, those are so freaking cute. So far, I'm only doing buildings, but Let me see. Oh, and I also wanted to use plants down here. So let me see. So cute. All right, what other colors am I missing? Look at her, so cute. Oh, look at this. Okay, this is a good one. I'm gonna try this in the sidebar. That's cute. Look at them walking together. I've really enjoyed using the journal because, like I said, I don't have to necessarily put any boxes down because I'm just writing things out. I'm just writing about my day. I'm writing about how I feel or maybe some headaches. I don't know. I just put whatever. So it's more of a decoration spread, and that's been so much fun. All right, let me just put some plants down, have some fun. Okay. Let me see. I'm gonna put this tree kind of like right there. I don't know where I want to put this. Let me try that. I think that there's definitely more page. Yeah, see, there's more pages of plants and stuff. Let me make sure though. There's no other ones. Okay. It's a good size right here. I need to use a big mini. And then I like this big one. Let me put Mickey over top though. Good. Oh my gosh. Okay. What else? Definitely something on Thursday. Let me see. I can't help but use one of these. Let me put this down here. So I had 3 Mickeys by himself, 2 Minnies by himself, and 1 together. I just don't have any of this. Yeah, I have one right there. But I don't have any of the blue buildings. Oh, look at this. It's so big though. Wow, look at that. That's huge. I feel like I don't have enough mini, so I might want to use one of her. Maybe right here. I'll do like a big one. I like her looking all like bashful right here. That's cute. Oh my goodness. And then let's use a bow. Maybe up here. What else? What else? Oh, I love these. I really want to use these in like other spreads. These are great colors, especially for fall. Oh, let's use some Mickey heads. Like a little bit bigger. Here's some blue. Let's pull in some blue randomly up there. A little bit of teal. Let's bring in some teal. Oh no, I don't know. I don't know where to put it. Maybe here. I don't know. Oh my gosh, so cute. I'd like to use this, but I don't know where to put it. Oh, look at her sitting on top. All right, I'm going to put one more building over here. I know it's probably going to be a lot, but I was really excited to use this book, and the stickers are a little bit bigger than I kind of imagined, which is totally fine, but you know, it feels like I don't have much room to use a lot. What if I use this skinny one and cover him up? So then I can kind of like layer buildings together, you know? What about that? And then I could even try to do this. Look, yay. I was afraid it was gonna cover up the 18, but it didn't. Ooh, that's fun. I was able to like layer them together, group them together. This is so much fun. All right, there's not much going on like in the Tuesday column, so I'm gonna find something else. Maybe a plant. Oh, I love these, but I kind of want to hoard them forever. They're like so cute. I could put some plants. Let's put a blue with what should I put it with? I want to get something a little smaller. Maybe like this guy. Yeah, that's good. Very good. I feel like I'm almost done, but then there's just not much blue. So let me put some more blue over here. I'm not sure what to do. What if I put like a line of Mickeys up here at the top? I don't know. Try something different. Okay, I feel like that really made like a little fun touch right there. But I want to balance it out by putting that same row right here. Okay, now I'm done. All done. Okay, awesome. So yes, it's a lot of stickers, but look, this is all Monday. That's a lot of space. All Tuesday, all Wednesday, Thursday. That's still a lot of space. Really, the only day that I feel like there's not much room to write would be Friday. But still, that's still a lot of space. So I'm going to make it work. I really love this. I think this is really fun. My favorite part is probably up here, or these lines of Mickey's. I just think it looks like kind of like washi tape or something. It looks fun. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. And in the meantime, please like, subscribe, and comment for more. Bye, guys.